Hello trader, I'm looking at XAUUSD. At the moment we can see that after very long consolidation, the market has formed an inverted head and shoulder and then completely has broken to the upside with this inverted head and shoulder. And with that breakout, currently the market showing a very strong uptrend. So let's see where we can find potential entry opportunity in this market on the lower time frame. So before we looking at monthly chart to see overall direction in the market from historical perspective, we can see that this market is bull market. We can see there is an inverted head and shoulder here, and with that inverted head and shoulder, strong breakout with that inverted head and shoulder, followed by this pullback here, and we can see another breakout, deeper pullback. Now after quite a few stronger pullback on XAUUSD, we can see the market currently having a strong breakout here. This is the monthly price action, where from this previous resistance here on the monthly turn support, and the market had a strong bounce, and with that bounce expecting for this price to potentially to trend to the upside to create a new higher high. If we look at the weekly chart to see how the price is evolving, we can see that from the weekly time frame, we can see there is a bullish engulfer from the weekly perspective, which in fact has crossed quite a few weeks low and grab that a massive amount of liquidity. And with that liquidity grab, the market started to trend again. And what we can see that this current weekly price action, the price has initially has come down for a pullback, and from that zone the price again started to bounce back to the upside to create a new higher high. Now, dropping down to the daily chart, how the price is evolving, we can see that from the daily perspective, this is where there is a daily inverted head and shoulder formation here. Now, if we closely look at in this zone, we can see that from the daily, it's a strong uptrend here. We have seen there was a break of structure and then liquidity grab followed by stronger momentum and daily sideways. So there was a narrow red candle, which is in fact a narrow pullback in that zone. And with that pullback, with this narrow candle formation, the market managed to break out with this strong daily impulse in that area. And with that being said, what we can expect for this market to potentially come for a pullback and then to trend again in the major direction. So looking at 1 hour chart to see how the price is evolving here, we can see that from this lower time frame, this is where the market was in a sideways for extended period of time and form an inverted head and shoulder. We see a complete breakout with a very strong momentum currently in this market. We can see the price is respecting this 10 and 20 EMA, which is showing a very strong bullish market structure. We can expect for this market potentially to drop for a pullback here as this market trend is up. If we closely look at from the 1 hour price action, we can see there is a one strong bullish engulfer here with a liquidity grab followed by every hour the price was forming series of higher low, expecting for the price to potentially break from that structure on the lower time frame, especially on the 15 minutes. So we can see that the market was respecting the 10 EMA. We'll be waiting for a potential break of structure here. As soon as we will find suitable entry in any of this zone where there is a high liquidity, after a price action confirmation, we'll be looking for potential bullish trading opportunity in this market. Traders, I hope that you enjoyed this education and analysis. If you enjoyed, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Also join the Telegram channel, link you can find below this video for more updated education that I am posting every single day. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.